I'm Miss Pickles. Welcome to this Tutor-Rama balloon twisting tutorial with drama. And with me today is my friend HomeSlice. Welcome.
What's up, Miss Pickles?
All is fantastico. So, do your friends call you Home or Slice?
Well, ever since the eclipse of 2017, my names got merged. Now they just call me HomeSlice.
That's cool. Well, HomeSlice it is. So, tell our friends what you do for a living.
Well, I'm a magician.
Ooh, I love magicians. Did you bring a trick for us today?
Maybe. Voila!
Woo!
A fun clown coloring book. Let's take a look.
Hey, it's blank. Is that the trick?
Oh no. We gotta add some stuff.
What kind of stuff?
Let's add circus stuff.
Ooh, I love the circus. Do we get to go to the circus?
That's a great idea. Let's go to the circus.
Woo! Yay, you are magic.
So, let's throw some things from the circus. What are some things from the circus?
Animals. How about some clowns? How about some balls and rings?
Oh, that one didn't stick.
Uh-oh. Okay, balls and rings. Some acrobats. Circus peanuts.
That sounds about good. Let's try it. Let's take another look.
Ooh, pictures! Yay!
Hold on, hold on. Let's throw some colors in here.
Well, my favorite color is yellow. So yellow, red, blue, green, black, white, orange.
You ready?
Wow!
Good job, Miss Pickles.
Ooh, I'm a good colorer. I love that trick.
Well, thank you, circus.
And that brings us to our circus-related tutorial, El Elefante, the elephant. Welcome back to this tutorial for the elephant. And I'm going to make a lovely pink one. HomeSlice, grab yourself a balloon. So what's the first thing we do? Stretch it. And I always warm them up a little, especially when the weather gets a tiny bit cooler, the balloons get a little cold. And we're going to pump it up, put it on our trusty pump, and I'll show you exactly how much to inflate it. I'm just going to pump it up a little bit until about this much uninflated, just that little bit. Keep going. And we're going to tie that off so that you've got a nice little, maybe 4-finger width, for my finger, 4-finger width. And then I also like to have as big an elephant as possible, so I always stretch it. So you start where the knot is that you tied, squeeze it a little, and then pull. Sometimes it makes that noise, which can be a little bit But let me put these two together. We'll just see if they're a little bit, one's a little shorter than the other. His is a little shorter, but I'm going to just stretch it. And they're a little closer to the same size. Let me just give them a little extra stretch. Okay, good enough. Just because we want a big elephant. So, as big as it can be, because it's a cute little small elephant. So we're going to start with the tail. This is the only balloon that instead of starting with the nose, it starts with the tail. Just a little bubble. And we're just going to hold that. Now this one gets a little tough to hold because we have to hold several balloons. But not for too long. So I always just reach over and grab it with my little finger. And then I reach over here, and I'm going to do a big bubble, about like that. Let's see your bubble. Uh-oh, you got to keep holding the tail or that happens. You can hold that tail. Very good. And we're going to do 2 more this same size. So I always fold it over so that I can see where it ends, and then I can just pinch right there and twist so that they're the same size. And then a third one. Remember, you don't have to hold the one in the middle, just the first one and the last one. And I can just pinch here. And I can see these two are the same size. So I have a little triangle. I'm just holding the very first one and the last one, and I'm going to twist these two together. And if you lift it up a little, it won't be as loud. It'll still be squeaky, not as loud. So then you're going to take that tail and pull it through the triangle. All the way around. Just that locks the balloon so that it doesn't unravel. And that's, now we're going to lay this flat against this one. Make another bubble, the same length as the other two. And then bring it over this way. And make a fifth one. It gets kind of tough, but we're almost done.
Right.
So you're just going to make two more, like you have a triangle with three, and then two more, the same length. And then we're going to actually take this middle part, this long one, and put it through the middle. And then that locks them.
Through here?
And that will lock it. It's not the easiest one to make. And this is his very first time making it. So then we're going to take two of the legs, because you can see there's two legs here, but we don't want them to be apart like that. We want to just bring them in together and just take one side and just twist one through. Just one time. And then that closes the legs. And then we're almost done already. So we're going to take, but let me assess how much we have left. Let's see. So we're going to do the ears next. Your ears are going to be just a smidge smaller because you don't have as much air. So you can just kind of eyeball it. So we're going to do a fold twist, which we just literally fold the balloon over. Fold, and then pinch it at the end and twist. And we're going to twist that together. Whoopsie! I'm going to keep talking you through it, because sometimes that happens. Now, that's going to be a little bit too big because you won't have enough. You need to make two ears and then the trunk of the elephant. So I'm going to do this a little smaller. So twist it right about there. Try to pinch pinch with this hand and twist. Okay, hold on. I'm going to show the camera. Right here, we're going to fold that over, and then we're going to pinch with this hand because we have a little more control over the size of the balloon, because if you just grab it and twist it, it'll get smaller, it could get larger. So if you just fold and pinch and twist it that way, before you twist it that way, you have a lot more control. I'm going to just do your other ear. Just here, fold that. And we can see that these are the same size, and I want you to twist it right there. See, hold on. Okay, yeah. And these are the same size, but we're going to open them a little and kind of just square off his little ears a little bit so they're not as round, and it still looks like, what is that? But with this part, this is his trunk, you're just going to shape it. So I'm pulling up on this part and down on this part. So up and down, I'm pulling and squeezing to shape the trunk. And then hold on. Get his face down. So there is the cute little ears, and there's this little trunk. And the best part, I'm going to just show on yours because mine had a horrible accident. So, and then I just draw some fun eyes on there. This one's going to be a girl because it's orange. And you can draw the eyes any way you like. And then you just have this cute little elephant. And you can see his little face. And those are the four legs. And his little tail, and the cute fun ears. And if you have, balloons blow up all different sizes. So if you have a really long one, you could make larger ears, and some people like longer trunks, whatever. But there's your little elephant.
Thank you, Miss Pickles. Now that's some magic.
Good job.